The noun 適用 is used when rules, laws, discounts, or settings are used for a specific case or person. 適用、ルールや法律、割引や設定をあるケースや人に使う場面でよく言うよ。適用 means putting a rule or setting onto a case, or the state that the rule fits that case. 決まりや設定を事例に当てはめること、または当てはめることができる状態を表すよ。The first kanji means suitable or fit. You see it in 適切 and 適用. It gives the feeling of matching a situation well. Keep the idea of a good match in mind. The second kanji means use or purpose. You see it in 使用 and 用. It talks about using something for a task. Think of practical everyday use. This rule applies to everyone. このルールを全員に適用します。このルールを全員に適用します。Student discounts apply starting today. 学生割引は今日から適用されます。学生割引は今日から適用されます。This coupon is not eligible and cannot be applied. このクーポンは対象外なので適用できません。このクーポンは対象外なので適用できません。Please change the settings first, then press the apply button. まず、設定を変更してから、適用ボタンを押してください。まず、設定を変更してから、適用ボタンを押してください。The most common synonyms of the word are 応用 and 当てはめ。応用 is applying knowledge or methods, often creative or technical. 当てはめ is a plain fit into a rule. 適用 is more formal and is common for rules, laws, settings, and discounts. The most common antonym of the word is 適用外. It means something is outside the scope and will not be covered. 適用 puts a rule onto a case, while 適用外 says the case is not covered.